Hi, and welcome to another OpenCRM video. In this video, I'll walk you through a great way to use our Zapier integration and get even more from OpenCRM. For more tips, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. In this example, I'll show you how to automatically create a contact record in OpenCRM from an email that lands in Gmail. You could use the same process to create a lead if you prefer. Here's my email. I have added a label called CRM. And here's the result. That person has been created in my OpenCRM as a contact with a lead source added, assigned to a user, and an automated email has been generated and sent via an email plan. So that's the front end. Let's have a look behind the scenes to see how I set that up. Here's my Zap. To begin with, I asked Copilot to help me get started building the Zap. For the trigger, I use the option available with Gmail, which is to work with a new labeled email. Clicking on the trigger event field shows you the other triggers available. In the configuration panel, I told it which label to use. I can then test that step and review the emails it has found that met the criteria. Next, I've added an extra formatter step. This is because I want to split the first and last names of the sender into two separate pieces of information. Finally, I can set up my OpenCRM action. As with the trigger, you have a drop-down field where you can set up different types of action. And for the last part of the puzzle, in OpenCRM, I've created an email plan that uses the lead source as the trigger to automate emails to go to the new contact. To summarize, once everything's set up, all I needed to do is add a label to an email in Gmail. That automatically creates a contact in OpenCRM ready for any email or action-based automation you want to run. Zapier is a really powerful tool with thousands of apps and plenty of useful options, so it's well worth exploring how it can help you bring data into OpenCRM. Thanks for watching.